Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you, getting ready to talk a little bit about Pangolin. So let's go ahead and look and set the scene very quickly. Talk about a little bit of Bitcoin. We're at, oh, good, 96,219. Ethereum's at 1841. Let's see, FLR, that's going to be going up a little bit too. Trying to see if there's anything else we want to talk about. Let's see, where are we? Avalanche is a little bit over 20. And so it looks like things are going pretty well at the moment in the markets right now. Market cap is a little bit below 3 trillion. Fear and greed is at 53%, at kind of at neutrality here. Let's go ahead and look at some Bitcoin dominance at 63.8%, Ethereum 77.4, I mean, and we got others at 28.7. Let's take a look at the Pangolin price right now. First of all, let's look at the 1 day. Pangolin is up like a little bit less than 1% at the moment. So just a little bit of a heads up on that. 7 day Pangolin is down just a tad bit at about 5%. Let's take a look at the 1 month. The 1 month Pangolin is up 8%, 8.85 to be exact. One of the things I want to mention is I noticed that as I've been looking at the month, a lot of these coins are starting to move in a positive direction over the month. So this is very good for Pangolin as well. I think it's definitely down on the year by, let's see, yeah, 67%. So just a heads up on this. I think that a lot of these coins that are like really down as they are have reached like part of the bottom. Not financial advice, but I'm just taking a look at where they are and what appears to be some positive momentum that we're dealing with in this particular case. So this is one of the things I want to be looking at. I'm going to try to go in order of, how can I say, chronological order of time. Hold on 1 second. Let me make sure I got this. Here we go. So right here, this is going to be some important information that I just heard about Pangolin not too long ago. So Pangolin partners with Chain RQ, ARQ. And in this case, let's go ahead and take a look. This is maybe from a little while ago, but it says that Pangolin has announced partnership with Chain RQ, making a major step in the platform's evolutions. This integration is designed to improve user experience and security in decentralized asset exchange. So key assets include secure gasless swaps, one-click cross-chain trading, optimized liquidity routing, direct access to top Avalanche L1 networks, and concentrated liquidity farming with any asset. Very nice. So just mentioning the fact what we're dealing with here. So see if there's anything else we want to talk about. Pangolin is a multi-chain decentralized exchange operating on the Avalanche network. We've already talked about that a lot before. Designed to provide users with advanced tooling, deep liquidity, and an easy onboarding process for a seamless trading experience. So just a little bit of a heads up. Now we know that Pangolin has joined with Chain RQ. That's going to be a very positive development for Pangolin. So let's go ahead and look at a little bit more information here. As far as the V3 audit, we know is complete. That has been going on for quite a while. So now things are looking even better for Pangolin. So let's just go ahead and read a little bit. So the original native DEX and biggest DAO on Avalanche. So just a heads up on that. The audit is complete. Let's see. I think we have some nice information here concerning that. Let me see. April was a month of key milestones for Pangolin, from completing the Pangolin V3 audit to introducing Pangolin AI. Oh, this is interesting. And strong community engagement. We've seen some impressive growth and progress. I'm not going to click long, but let me click in here just for the heck of it. Pangolin AI. Protocol for fully automated asset custody, combining AI agent with blockchain. Interesting. So I'm not going to go all into that, but probably going to look into that a little bit later on. So let's see. What the heck? Let me just go ahead and click it. interesting. See what's in here. Okay. Apparently, they have their own site on the AI end, which is good. But smart money inflow, etc. Okay, this is going to be something interesting. We'll look at that later. But I just had to get a sneak peek and see what was going on. So introducing Pangolin AI. Okay, so I'm sure we'll have more to talk about in the future. Now, let's go ahead and look at the information concerning the audit being complete, and let's see the progress that has been made because of that. So now it says the V3 audit is complete, growth mode activated. Now, we've seen impressive growth across the board. Highest monthly swap since January, significant trading volume, and a surge in new users. And here we have a strong shift in activity with daily new users joining at an accelerating pace. So this is what I'm seeing right here. Um, I'm noticing that over the 1 month, the price has gone up and looks like a lot of other things have been going up as well. Growth mode is on. It says the metrics speak for themselves. So this is definitely some positive momentum. It says 212,400 swaps, highest monthly volume count since January. We got 6.3 million in trading volume. So this appears to be looking really good. So we got what 22,000 active traders, another 3 month high, 12,900 new users joined, highest since January. First half of April saw 80% of trades coming from loyal returning users, but in the second half, momentum shifted hard with 700 plus new users joining daily. So this is a very positive sign for Pangolin. I really feel like the resurgence is on the way. So it says like Pangolin Avalanche once again led the way as the most traded pair with 2.6 million in volume, strong loyalty, surging growth, and vibrant community vibes. So Pangolin is rising again, and April proved it. On to May with the same energy. I believe May is going to be more energy, but that's just my opinion. Like I said, not financial advice on the channel, but look at the positive things that are happening here. Also, one last thing we want to break down a little bit more about Pangolin, your digital asset gateway. Don't forget that we've already talked about this in detail before. Pangolin is backed by these world-class partners, whether it's Coinbase, we got Thorchain, what's this, Axelar, we got Flare, we got Archaea, and we got Squid. So we're definitely dealing with some great exchanges there. It is also live on the following networks: Avalanche, Songbird, Flare, Hedera, and FMOS. So just a heads up, Avalanche is not the only one that's using Pangolin, but at the same time, it is probably the most popular as far as like what we know the most about. So guys, just a little bit of a heads up on all this information. Like I said before, we got some really positive signs going with Pangolin. I'm really seeing some great things that are on a horizon. And I really feel like if we just allow ourselves to look into this one some more, remember, just make sure to do your own research. But at the same time, from what I can see, Pangolin should be having a resurgence. And now that they've finally got this V3 underway and they're getting that positive momentum, all these new active users, as time goes along, things should get very nice. And I'm looking to see positive roads ahead. This is Al, Real Life Investing. Thank you for watching.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.